Welcome enthusiasts. Let me begin by telling you that this started off as a 5 things I like video, and it quickly developed into something a bit more. The words fell on the page in such a way I couldn't stop writing. So let's begin by what makes this not just a testament to fine engineering, this mechanical symphony of German styling and joy-producing driving experience, but what makes it mean more to me than any of the other fine automobiles that I am currently blessed enough to enjoy. Let's begin at the heart of this beast, a 349 horsepower, 5.4 liter naturally aspirated 8-cylinder power plant, coupled with a slow but purposeful 5-speed automatic gearbox. The 391 foot-pounds of torque that begins to build right off of idle begs your foot to plant harder, to let it consume more air and fuel mixture to create a muscular sound of induction, accented by a subtle exhaust note that will not attract unnecessary attention, all while planting your backside deeper into your seat. Its nearly 10 pounds of weight per horsepower ratio gives it brisk acceleration, though not unmanageable. It will surely do a terrible job of keeping groceries in the trunk neat and tidy on the way home. And though on the outside onlookers will not notice its subtle AMG cues, inside you will know, and you will realize what makes this not just another point A to point B car blending into the masses. On the interior, it is surrounded by beautifully finished wood trim and perforated leather seating, with enough room to comfortably cruise at high speeds, until its thirsty engine begs for more fuel at the gas station. Its complexity in vacuum-based locks and complicated interior electronics creates challenging maintenance diagnosis, but that is not a negative for me. It just gives me an excuse to learn more about what makes it tick. The large brakes, big engine, rear-wheel drive, and Bilstein Yellow shocks I installed keep those tires planted just where I need them, and make it a joy in the curves just as much in a straight line. There is a certain balance, a certain symmetry, that makes this more nimble than the other AMGs I own. I believe that the classic styling, paired with its quite fitting AMG Monoblock Wheels, creates a stylish ride that will continue to grow in its recent rise in value. As design from the car industry continues to date older vehicles, there comes a point where timeless design pays off, and I think that is what we have here. With fewer and fewer examples left on the road, I can't recommend this car enough as a car enthusiast experience that should not be missed before rarity and price keep it out of wallet's reach, like so many automobiles before it. I mean, there's got to be a reason that Jay Leno, a man with hundreds of collector cars, has chosen to keep an example of this very model. Happy driving, and I hope that you find as much joy in your ride as I have in mine. Goodbye for now.